Welcome back.
Jinx.
As you can see, it's a little bit cold today, so at least we won't be.
We don't even have the door open.
Yeah, at least we won't be sweating. So instead of 90, it's 50.
56.
So good news. It's still hanging a week later, so it didn't fall. So
you can't tell.
That was good. Yeah, but it's hanging. It's shaking. So today we're gonna get the front end out and get a video for that, and then maybe we'll get the rear end out, but that'll be a different video. And get it down to bare shell, and then we can start. And then we can start body work.
We'll be home.
And then we'll be home. Yeah.
We'll be home.
So cool. You ready?
Yep.
Let's get started.
I'm taking the tires off. I'm probably going to time lapse this because who needs to know about all this? I got it. What? I haven't done
Don't be afraid of it.
I haven't done this in forever. What the freak, man?
You try it. There you go.
Why did it spark?
Because it did.
Yeah, I know that.
It's gonna smoke.
It's Halloween. The ghost of the 70s.
Socket's hot. There we go. Okay, that's going to be hot. Okay, repeat.
Man.
Okay. Again, smoke.
Ooh.
Fire. Who knows how long these have been on there for?
That one?
Yeah.
That one was like 2 minutes.
No, I'm saying how many years they've been.
Oh.
They haven't come off. So. Like I said before, best rust penetrating oil, anything out there. So if it doesn't work by itself, put a little heat on it and then spray it. Be careful, obviously, because you saw the fire, and it'll come off. Rarely have one that doesn't. Try not to catch it on fire this time. rim's going to be hot too.
Yeah,
Everything's going to be hot. All right, so now
You're like a true mechanic. Watch your phalanges.
yeah, there's no real room, huh? All right, it moved, so that's a good sign. That came out real easy. It's good. Okay. Coming?
Kinda.
Good?
Yeah.
And that one's loose?
Yeah.
All right, go to the other side.
Yeah.
See, this side here doesn't even have a caliper or a hose or anything, so obviously we have to get all that stuff. Obviously we would have got all that stuff new anyways, but alrighty, have at it.
I gotta sit down. Oh, you know what I need? The wrench.
Hold on.
It's just not going, I don't think.
There you go.
We got it. Where'd it go?
I don't know.
Right there.
Okay, gotta loosen that one first, right?
Which one?
One you can't get to.
Where's all the fun tools?
I don't know. They were just here. You sitting on them?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, we need this one here.
Stronger than me.
There. Okay. All right. There you go. Same thing. Loosen one, take the other two out, and got the jack. Wish we had two jacks.
Yeah.
All right.
Ooh, yeah.
Now, theoretically, this should just come right down.
Our luck, it probably won't.
All right, go ahead and take that bolt out. Let's see what she does. Okay, and you can bring that over to the other side because we'll need it there. Pry bar's too long. Oh my God.
goodness. You okay?
All right, well, it's moving. But that hurt. Maybe we could slide this down. There it goes. The speedometer cable? Ooh, I think it is. Hold on, we might not have to take anything apart. Oh yeah, here we go. All right. Well, that's pretty genius, actually. It just locks into the hub, and as the hub moves, it pulls it. So we can pull this out and through now. Speedometer cable. All right, you see how it wants to turn that way?
Yeah.
Watch your knees because it wants to kick out a little bit. All right, try to pull it out a little bit. Okay. All right, I'm gonna probably have to help you here.
Yeah, because it's not going to go through that.
Yep, we'll get it down once we get it out a little bit. Okay, try pulling it a little. I try to pull it a little bit. It's falling off the jack. All right, let me get it again.
It's up on the, yeah. Okay, ready?
Okay, pull it.
Oh, now the,
Yep.
where I got the bolts out is stuck. Okay. Got it.
Okay. All right. There's the front
Can't
end.
really see it.
Front suspension. It's actually a pretty neat designed. Like it's all in one. You know, there's some spring rods. I forget what they're called, tension rods or whatever, inside here, and that's what gives you the suspension. You got shocks, you got your brake booster, and your steering. It's all attached to that one piece, and we're going to take that back to the house and take it apart, rebuild it, take it apart, clean it, paint it, rebuild it, and have it ready to go back in. And it just slides in with 4 bolts, really.
Yep. Easier than we thought.
Much easier than we thought. So that'll be yet another episode, but we're going to be doing body work first before we get to that point.
Yep.
Cool.
Yep.
On to the rear.
Like, subscribe,
Yes, like, subscribe.
comment, share, do what you do. Yeah.